Well, let's get you to our Chief Meteorologist, Chris Holcomb. And Chris, we've been enjoying a really nice week, but we do want to let folks know that you have a 11 Alive weather impact alert.
And this is going to be for Monday. And we've been telling you about this system all week long with the potential for rain and storms moving in for Sunday and on Monday. Right now, we do expect rain on Sunday, but we think this would stay below our alert levels here for your Sunday, but still some thunder and lightning possible with that. It's going to be on Monday when we see a better chance for some stronger storms to move in, and that could even be in the overnight hours Sunday into early on Monday with that potential for strong storms moving in. The main threats we're seeing right now, heavy rain and wind. The tornado risk, based on what we're seeing right now, would be on the lower end. We don't think this is going to be anything like the last system that we had that came through that did produce tornadoes and severe weather for us. Here's a look at the satellite and radar. Very dry out there right now. We have just a few clouds mixing in with the sunshine. This is the system that we're watching, already causing tornado watches here in parts of eastern Texas and western areas of Louisiana. And this is still going to take a while for this whole system to move our way, but eventually this moisture will push into the North Georgia area and metro Atlanta area. Sunday with just general showers and a couple of thunder showers, and then Monday with that risk for severe storms. So on Saturday, we're going to see a few more clouds mixing in, temperatures moving up into the upper 70s for a high temperature here for your Saturday. And then the second half of the weekend, beginning of next week, looks like that would be a little wetter. And that water, that rain, even though we're watching the potential for severe,